Hello, this is Grace again. And do you guys subscribe our website at hepress.com? Yes, we are Fujian Xinhong HePress Group. Now I will show you how to how to make your transfer work with this latest design. Mate 380 Auto Open HePress. After setting the control meter, only set the temperature and time. Okay, 160 degrees centigrade, 15 seconds. Okay, and with this slide out drawer, it provides larger working platform for us. Now I will print this fabric for you today. First, don't forget to adjust the pressure. Okay, the first procedure, pressure knob and control meter. Okay, and we need to preheat this cross. Put a Teflon fabric to protect the heating pattern in case of any dirty. Okay. Preheat. Lock down the heating pattern. A few seconds is okay, so I will emergency stop it. Press this red button. Okay. It opens very slightly. Now we need to put the vinyl, heat transfer vinyl here. And also the Teflon fabric to cover it. Now let's try it. After 15 seconds, it will open automatically. Okay. We will peel off this after it is cooling down. And don't forget to turn off this machine. There is the red button. Okay. And also, I would like to show you this one. We name it Teflon wraps fabric, made of Teflon fabric. These wraps we can wrap the heating pattern and also the bottom plate. To protect your machine, like this. I think most of the customers will use these Teflon wraps when they are using a heat press machine. Okay, now let's see our transfer work. Use the cold water to hot it, cooling down quickly. I like this drawer very much. It is so convenient. Perfect. Let's see. It is very thicker cross, but the print result is still perfect. Do you like it? Okay. And so you guys don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Fujian Xinhong Group. And our website is xkpress.com. See you next time. Bye.